Hey guys, how's it going? It's gonna be a quick unboxing video of the new shower head set that I got. Comes with everything you need to just install it. Even comes with a plumber's tape. Awesome. You're supposed to be able to set all this up without any additional tools, which is great. Comes with the shower head. Some parts that attach to the hose, and some awesome instructions to attach it to your shower arm. And just a quick comment about the finish. Looks really well made. And it's a nice chrome, like has a nice brushed look, even though it might be hard to tell. And there it is.